Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Epic Games launcher when it says it has ended permanently on your PC. Let's get started. First, make sure it's not just a simple glitch. Close the launcher completely on your keyboard. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to open Task Manager. Look for Epic Game Launcher.exe. Right click it and choose in Tasks. Then try reopening the launcher again. If that doesn't work, the next step is to restart your computer. Sometimes a fresh restart clears your background processes that might be blocking Epic Games. Then try running the launcher as administrator. To do this, right click on the Epic Game Launcher icon. Here you can see run as administrator. Click on that. This gives it permission to start properly. If it continues to show ended permanently, you might need to repair or reinstall the launcher. At last, make sure your Windows and graphics drivers are updated. Outdated software can sometimes cause the launcher to crash. And that's it. With these steps, ending the tasks, restarting or running as admin, you should be able to fix the Epic Game Launcher ended permanently on PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.